guys, so Dave Willett here, and we're here today at Park 8MX. We've been riding around on the bike having a bit of fun, and today we've got Martin from WD-40 along.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Martin.
Looks fairly good out there, I have to say, but the bike does get dirty, so the fun bit's obviously riding it. Washing the bike, fun, not fun?
Look, when it's sunny like this and the temperature's high, then washing the bike's not a problem, but obviously it's always a problem with in the winter, washing and freezing and getting cold. But for myself, you know, I take pleasure and pride in washing my bike.
It's kind of an unnecessary evil, but then you can kind of see how your bike's been performing, what bits are wearing, what bits aren't. So just sort of talk us through kind of some of the products and kind of save some time and money by using them correctly. Okay, so you don't always wash the bike off-site, you wash the bike here?
I take the bike home with me from time to time, but a few people like to wash their bikes at the track. But you was explaining to me, Martin, some quite interesting facts regarding you know, the bike wash that you have, and obviously there's a correct procedure now as well to washing the bike at the track.
What you did today seems to be spot on. Just to clarify, you know, leaning at both sides so you can kind of get underneath the mud as well as the mud you can see from the top down. Absolutely spot on. Using the biodegradable wash, just so you're clear, all of our wash products are absolutely biodegradable. It's the law, so yeah, nothing to worry about there about it going into the water table. And then as far as aerosols go, I mean, this is about as open environment as you can get, so that's completely fine as well. So from what we saw, spot on.
The thing that I like about the bike washes is that it isn't so potent, it isn't strong, it doesn't stain, you know, it doesn't stain the swinging arm or my engine casings, and it does the job, you know, it gets the grime off the plastic.
The formulation is pulled in a certain direction in terms of acid and alkaline, so that's why it won't stain. So it's safe on all of your anodised casings, all of that kind of stuff, all your bling, all your trick bits. So once you'd washed the bike using the tote wash and chain cleaner, top marks, because you went back in with...
This is WD-40,
yeah,
the universal tool. This is the favourite can, really, isn't it, to be fair, and we all like to think that it does everything, which it normally does do.
Pretty much.
But yeah, no, to be honest, I always use the, I'll let you have your can.
Yeah,
but yeah, I always do use WD-40 after I've washed my bike. And the reason being is that I like to get rid of the moisture. Yeah, and then just give it, you know, a dry off afterwards. And yeah, always run through the chain and bits and bobs. So
yeah, like it's exactly the best thing you can do. I mean, the clue's in the name. It gets rid of water. It protects electrical circuits as well. So it was good that you kind of put it into, like, you know, your different areas of the bike that are going to require that protection as well, because it will protect those electrical circuits. And top marks, because you used it in both ways. So obviously around here, you're kind of spraying it with the white spray, and then you're flipping up and getting into your gear springs and obviously your footrests and your levers.
Yeah.
And on the chain as well. I mean, it's kind of a visible like difference it makes, that when the bike is kind of drip dry and then you actually just give your chain a pass with WD-40, you can see the water just suddenly coming out of all your pins and your rollers and everything, and that'll get it ready for when you want to kind of go in there with, like, you know, your final pass of chain cleaner, or then apply chain lube if that's what you want to do.